Hello guys, welcome here again. Today I'll be showing you how to claim $78 on this KuCoin airdrop. But before we dive into details on how you can join this airdrop and participate and claim this $78 for yourself, and also show you how you can withdraw it, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ojo Billionaire Academy. On this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to earn a job. So if you are interested in making money online, do well to click the subscribe button so that you'll be subscribed to my channel. Also click the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload videos, so that you'll be the first to watch it and implement it and make money for yourself. If you've done that, don't forget to like this particular video that you are watching so that I can reach as many who are looking for ways to make money online. By so doing, you are helping the world become a better place and you are saving life. If you've done that, let's dive into details of the video. So welcome guys, welcome to KuCoin. As you can see, welcome to KuCoin, where we are committed to advancing the development and application of blockchain technology, providing users with secure and efficient blockchain solution. So Cuckoo Network, governed by the Decentralized Anonymous Organization, DAO. So as you can see, you can read through for yourself, and Mr. William Thompson right here is renowned global blockchain applicant. I think this is one of the team member or the team lead. You can see right here on the team column we have Logan Johnson, Jonathan Taylor, and all of that right here. So you can read for yourself and know these people for yourself, understand this airdrop. Then we have the token economy, and you see token name Cuckoo Network, B20, total supply. This is the total supply, contract address, stay tuned. And as you can see, this token is already 90% of the token is going to be for airdrop, 2% for market project sustainability, and marketing team 8%. Most of the token, let me just say almost all of the token is for airdrop, as you can see right there. And now it is not listed yet, but you can still make money for yourself. So just go through this. When you get, I'll drop the link so you can click on the link and it will bring you here. All you need to do is to either launch the app or you download. For those who are using Android, you download the app and have it on your phone. When you click launch, the app will open you to an interface. I already have the app, so it opens you, it takes me to my app. But before I explain this interface to you, let me just, so if you've not registered, when you click launch, the app will bring you to this interface that looks like this. Now on this interface you have login and you have register right up here. You click on register, you put your parameters to register for this app. When you put your information, you click register, and boom, you'll be registered. Now when you register, you have a zero balance like this. The balance will be zero like this. First thing first, what you need to do is to see your pool is zero, and if you click on your wallet, it's also zero. You see you have a zero balance. When you come here, you first of all need to join their Telegram. When you click join Telegram, it will redirect you to their Telegram account. I've already joined, so let's just go back. And then back here you see I have 10,000 already. Then you click follow their Twitter page. You come to their Twitter page, and if you go back, you see I have 20,000. And if you come to my wallet right here, you see it's 52. Now these are the only two tags available here for you to get. So remember I said you are supposed to earn up to 78. Now what do you do next to earn up to 78? You come over to this place right here, and you see where they say bind a referral code. That is what you need to do to get the remaining balance to increase your wallet. Bind a referral code. So how do you bind a referral code? How do you bind a referral code? I will be dropping my referral code down the description of this video, also on the Telegram channel, so you can quickly copy it and bind it. You don't need to bind this. I'll be dropping the referral code. If you bind your own referral code, it won't work, so you won't get the complete the complete airdrop you need to get. So let me quickly copy the referral code and come here and bind it. So this referral code here, the one I'm pasting here, this one you see right here, is the referral code you are to use to bind. So when you click confirm right here, you see it has bind successfully. Then if you go back, you have 30,000, and if you click on wallet, you see you have $38,000, $78 rather, not 38,000. You have $78. Now this $78, how do you withdraw? As you can see right here, it's showing you have $78 KuCoin. So you need to exchange it to USDT so you can withdraw. So you see here exchange, you click exchange. Now this token, there's no one released. Now as you can see, my max here is showing 0. So every week or every day, a portion of this token will be released to you to be able to withdraw. So all you just need to do, the number that is released to you, you put it here and you click exchange, and it will automatically exchange and you'll be able to withdraw whatever amount. And this is the selling price, 1 KuCoin to this for this token. That is how you'll be able to withdraw from this platform. But then again, remind you, this is a mining platform. So first of all, you need to click and mine. But if you want to mine, it will ask you to verify do your KYC. So you go ahead and do your KYC. What is needed for your KYC is your name, your ID card number, your passport, and your passport, the front, the back, and you holding your passport. If you've done that and you upload it, that is all you need for this mining to start mining. And as it's mining, you come over to your wallet and exchange whatever you've mined and you have available, and you can withdraw them to your wallet. So guys, that is how this platform operates. That is how it functions. That will be all for now. See you in our next video. Goodbye.